At the original Mattress Factory, we pride ourselves in offering the best value, from the inside out. So we're peeling back the layers to explore one of the most vital components in any mattress, the spring unit. In an innerspring mattress, the spring unit provides the vital support you need to get a good night's rest. Today we're going to compare our highest quality interlaced innerspring unit with an encased coil commonly found in the mainstream mattress brand's flagship lines. Now before we put both innerspring units to the test, let's talk about what you should look for in a high quality mattress coil unit. The innerspring unit should provide the ideal amount of support for your torso while also conforming to the curves of your body. So, while a table might provide plenty of support, it doesn't conform to your body very well, or let's face it, at all. And on the other end of things, a hammock will conform to your body, but it lacks in the support department. In addition to support and conformance, the innerspring should help to minimize motion caused by your partner moving in bed. Now, let's put these two innerspring units to the test. Proper support is vital to healthy sleep. A mattress's support comes from its core, so the innerspring unit has a very important job. The original Mattress Factory coil has more turns and thicker wire than the encased coil. That means our spring provides better active support. As you can see, the original Mattress Factory coil beats out the encased coil in the individual coil support test. Now to demonstrate how the complete innerspring units perform, we'll place both spring units onto a sheet of glass and drop a kettlebell onto each one. First, let's drop the kettlebell on the original Mattress Factory innerspring unit. As you can see, it flexes, but still provides proper support for the weight, so the glass doesn't break. The innerspring unit works as a network to support the weight of the kettlebell. Now, let's drop an identical kettlebell on the standard encased coil. The encased coil is not able to support the weight of the kettlebell. The OMF innerspring is interlaced, meaning each individual spring is connected to its neighboring spring. That means they can work together and provide additional support. Since the encased coil isn't connected to its neighboring coils, it doesn't provide nearly as much active support. Next, let's talk about conformance. An innerspring unit should conform to the curves of your body while also providing adequate support. To demonstrate the conformance of these innerspring units, we're using a guitar to simulate the curves of your body. As we press the sides of the guitar into the innersprings, we can see that both conform well to the curves of the guitar. You can see that even though the interlaced spring unit is laced together, it conforms every bit as well as the encased coil.
When you're sharing a bed, you don't want to be woken up every time your partner rolls over. It's what we call motion transfer. So let's take a look at the motion transfer capabilities of each spring.
Madame, 2 glasses of Pinot, please. We're going to take 2 glasses of wine and place them on each innerspring unit, and then we're going to drop kettlebells on them. Now, if the wine glasses stay standing, you'll know the units prevent motion transfer. And we're going to perform this test twice, once with the bare innerspring units and once with the finished mattresses. We're dropping 2 15-pound kettlebells from 2.5 feet above each spring unit. As you can see, each innerspring unit passes the test. Now let's test the finished mattresses because, well, nobody sleeps directly on the springs. Again, we're using 2 15-pound kettlebells and dropping them from 2.5 feet above each mattress. This time, the wine spills on each mattress. Without the upholstery layers, the motion doesn't transfer and the wine glasses stay standing. Once we add the upholstery, those layers carry some movement and knock over the glasses. Both the OMF interlaced innerspring and the standard encased coil units performed identically in the motion separation challenge. So let's look at the final results. The OMF interlaced innerspring unit performed every bit as well as the encased coil unit when it comes to conformance and motion separation. And where the OMF innerspring really stands out is its superior support. And when it comes to overall value, you can't beat the original Mattress Factory. Not only is the product higher quality, it's also hand-built and sold directly to consumers, eliminating the middleman and saving you money. That means you get a higher quality mattress at a better price. Ready to see the original Mattress Factory difference for yourself? Visit an OMF location today.